If you want to draw a line on Lucidchart, whether it's a simple standalone line or a connector between two shapes, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can create clean, professional diagrams in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, go ahead and log in to Lucidchart. Once you're inside, open an existing document or create a new blank document if you want to start from scratch. Starting with the blank canvas is usually the easiest way to learn the basics because it gives you a clean space to practice and place your line exactly where you want it. Now let's start with method 1, which is adding a standalone line. On the left side of the screen, look for the line tool in the toolbar, click it, and you should see options for different line types. Depending on your layout, you may be able to choose a horizontal line or a vertical line. This is useful if you want to create dividers, section breaks, or simple visual guides inside your diagram. Once you've selected the type of line you want, click and drag on the canvas to place it. As you drag, Lucidchart will let you position and size the line so it fits your design. If the line isn't exactly where you want it the first time, don't worry. You can always click it again and adjust its placement until it looks right. That flexibility is one of the best parts of using Lucidchart. After the line is on the canvas, select it so you can customize it. At the top toolbar, you'll usually find options to change the color, thickness, and style. For example, you might want a thin gray line for a subtle section divider, or a bold colored line to make an important part of your diagram stand out. You can also adjust the style if you want a solid line, dashed line, or another visual variation depending on the look you're going for. If you're creating a flowchart or process diagram, you may also want to use connectors instead of a standalone line. That brings us to method 2, which is connecting two shapes. This is the best option when you want the line to automatically attach to objects on the canvas and stay connected if you move them later. To do that, first drag two shapes onto the canvas. These can be boxes, circles, or any other shapes you're using in your diagram. Then hover over the first shape until the connection points appear. These small points are what Lucidchart uses to attach your line cleanly to the shape. Click and drag from one of the connection points on the first shape over to the second shape. When you release the mouse, Lucidchart creates a connector between them. This gives you a neat, organized line that stays aligned with your shapes. It's especially helpful for flowcharts, org charts, process maps, and any visual that needs clear relationships between objects. If needed, you can still select the connector and change its appearance just like a regular line. You can adjust the color, thickness, or line style to match the rest of your diagram. That way, everything stays consistent and easy to read. So to recap, if you want a simple line, use the line tool from the left toolbar and drag it onto the canvas. If you want a line that connects two shapes, use connection points and drag from one object to another. Both methods are easy once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you learn how to draw a line on Lucidchart, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.